Almost $1,000 for a mini PC. Is that just too much?
But what if I told you it has a Ryzen 7 processor, a dedicated GPU, and DDR5 memory? It might actually be worth it, but we're gonna find out in today's video after a word from today's sponsor. Attention PC builders, do you wanna save money on your Windows activation? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. An awesome online marketplace with game keys and also Windows licenses.
It's awesome how easy it is to activate Windows. You literally just buy a key on GVG Mall using code TB20 to get a really good discount, and from there, you literally copy and paste the key into Windows, and boom, you now have an activated version of Windows.
You can get Windows 10, Windows 11, and a bunch of other different keys at GVG Mall, and be sure to use code TB20 on checkout to save money on a Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other key from GVG Mall. Big thanks again to GVG Mall for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into it, shall we?
Yeah, so Minis Forum is, man, they're stepping up the game. They're kind of like the leader in the whole mini PC market for pretty cheap prices, but what's exciting is this one has a serious graphics card in it.
Yep, we got the RX 6650M, which is an upgraded version of the 6600M we reviewed here on the channel. So excited to unbox this PC because, yeah, even more horsepower GPU-wise, a really awesome Ryzen 7 processor, and it is mini, but as you can see right here, the brick is definitely big.
This is definitely like the, it's like some of the other higher end ones we've looked at. They can only get so small before you just can't have enough thermal heat dissipation on such small hardware. So, I mean, with this, we got these two massive fans in the front. I think these are almost 120s.
No.
So they're pretty large fans. It actually looks like it's two different sizes. Inside the box, we get a power brick, which is a GVE, and it is 262 watts.
I was gonna say 240, 260. Ooh.
It's 262.2 to be exact.
Oh.
Random number. It is like a very specific barrel jack that has multiple connectors on the inside. I guess that'd be called like, is it a DIN? A DIN jack? Something like that. We do get a stand. I remember last time
we were having trouble figuring this out.
We had so much trouble figuring out the stand, but the stands are pretty cool. You basically have your PC propped up in a fashion sort of like that. But PC itself, as far as the ports go, we got a power button. We have USB-C, which we're gonna have to do some figuring out if that's Thunderbolt 4 or not. We have dual audio jacks. So we have one for mic and one for headphones, USB 3. On the back, we have an Ethernet port. We have, let's see, 3 more USB 3s, 2 more USB-Cs, 2 HDMI outs. So dual monitors, and in theory, if these are Thunderbolt as well, you could have 4 monitors, which is pretty crazy.
Yeah, so this mini PC, again, is a slight upgrade over the other version that does come with a normal 6600M and an older Ryzen 5 APU. And the reason this thing is really powerful and potentially could be good for the money is the fact that it has that dedicated GPU. And some people might just want something in this form factor versus a desktop tower that would be right around here. Do we have a desktop in here? We have a PC over there, like an Optiplex. You know, well, compared to an Optiplex, so you guys can get some scale. I don't know what happened there. McAllister may not have included it, but comparison.
This is a small one,
This is a small Optiplex. So just for comparison, again, it's not really tiny. Minis Forum has a lot of other mini PCs like their UM790 XTX, which they did send over also, but that one doesn't have a dedicated GPU if you want to save a little bit of money. You can definitely check those links down below for this PC and that one as well from Minis Forum, but really compact. I guess we're gonna turn it on real quick and just see what we got.
Stand and everything.
Yeah, get on its stand, get it all set up, but yeah, ports-wise, GPU-wise, CPU-wise, looking really good.
I'm just saying, this is you. That's the guy she told you not to worry about.
Keep that in mind.
Stay locked in. Keep on focus. The goal is here.
Little Caesars is the goal, by the way. Shout out Little Caesars, not sponsored.
All right, you want to work on that, and I'll work on a little stand action.
We're going to turn it on. There's no like RGB lighting or anything. It's pretty basic, but we'll turn it on real quick so y'all can hear what the sound levels are like. Come on.
Ready?
Ready? And if I remember right, the 6600 model was not very loud under gaming either. That's what you kind of worry about with these mini PCs, that they have to use fans that have to run really loud. But so far, looking really solid on paper. The real question is this a good upgrade over the 6600 model? We gotta play some games to find out.
They added 50. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing Halo Infinite at 1080p max FOV. And high preset, which is kind of bold, honestly, but I think this thing's capable of it. So far,
it's capable of
120 FPS, so we're getting pretty close to a high refresh rate.
But yeah, this configuration for Minis Forum is so cool because it just, one, doesn't run very loud, has a dedicated GPU in it, and it's compact. So realistically, when everyone thinks of mini PCs, you think of APUs with barely okay gaming performance. This right here is a full-fledged gaming PC.
Yeah, and it's just so small.
So small.
You could really put it like behind your monitor if you wanted to. Have your stuff an all-in-one.
Yes.
Fully bricked.
Almost fully bricked.
Yeah, see, that's gonna work. AMD grenade.
You are Granada.
Oh,
Ooh.
no.
Aha! Oh, hey! Oh. Whoa! Yeah! Oh!
Ah, no!
The melees are missing!
Don't peek.
Well, hello?
Don't work.
Hey.
That's how it works.
Hold till victory.
Misa grab is the ball.
10. Woo! Halo, looking pretty good.
Yeah, even on the mini PC, it actually performed really well. Hard to say how much better it is than the 6600, but the combo's feeling pretty good so far, so let's go ahead and test out another game.
Next game. All right, guys, we're kicking things off with Warzone 3.0, which we're running the balance preset 1080p. We're not using FSR or any upscaling right now. This is true 1080p on balanced settings, or in the warm-up lobby, but we're getting 140 to 150 FPS, which is pretty dang good. Of course, when I do die, and it's gonna happen. We'll switch over to FSR 3, and that's just probably gonna skyrocket the FPS because AMD GPUs love FSR 3. But right now, it is more than playable, and you don't have to worry about any of the issues that do come with FSR.
What is happening? What is this?
This guy's complaining about being back on this map. Bye. Ah!
Oh, you turned on it,
Ah! I thought you were my friend! Oh, I hear it. It's flying around me.
Oh, so that means it's trying to come at you.
Ah! I've died so many times. But hey, guess what? I'm gonna turn FSR 3 on.
Maybe that'll get us a good kill.
We're unbalanced. And there's my frame generation, baby.
So now we're down to 3 to 4 millisecond response time at 280 FPS.
Ah!
Ooh.
Hey!
Oh my god, his body went crazy.
Oh, you're done.
Why was there a guy in there?
Yeah! Oh, there's somebody else. Yeah! 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 No! Leave me alone!
EJ they got
I think that's the same dude who killed me at the beginning of the game, by the way, who betrayed me as a friend. Anywho, it runs great. FSR 3 runs great. We'll run some more demanding games as well, push this thing to its absolute limits, but this mini PC with a 6650M, it's definitely a gaming PC replacement, but is it worth the price? I think that 30 mark times by score will be able to tell us. All right, guys, now that we finished benchmarking this awesome mini PC from Minis Forum, we're gonna talk about the value proposition of this PC, and we'll go over that 30 mark time spy score to really talk about it because this PC comes with a dedicated GPU, a really nice Ryzen 7 processor, and for the price you might think, oh, it's a little bit expensive, but when we ran 30 mark time spy, which is our way of determining the price per point, we ended up getting a score of 8,563, which is an 11 cent per point score, which is higher than we'd like to see. 10 cents is kind of our benchmark we'd like to aim for with PCs on the channel for good price performance, but considering you're getting a small form factor build, a really easy out-of-the-box experience that is pre-built, I think it's a pretty good bang for the buck. And Minis Forum also offers other mini PCs that don't come with dedicated GPUs, like the UM780XTX, which does come with Ryzen 7000 series APUs built in, so you don't have to worry about dedicated GPUs, and they are a lot more affordable. So to check availability of this PC and the PC we did mention here on the channel from Minis Forum, check the link in the description down below. We'll be in the fill link and it will help us out. Let us know what you think of this Minis Forum PC down below. And would you buy one of these instead of building a gaming PC in 2024? So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So if you want to buy this PC or a full gaming PC from our PC selling business, you should go to PCBros.tech. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. If you use code TOASTYBROS2 on checkout, you'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.